1-1-1 for Binghamton here in the bottom half. First pitch, Ruiz cuts and misses. Hampton, a deep breath and deals. That's a check swing on a slider. Did he go? Yes, says third base umpire Austin. And the pitch. That's a swing and a miss, and Ruiz foul tips it into the glove of Wells and goes down on 3 pitches to end the inning.
To all along, because they're going out doing great things on the national stage, local stage.
The pitch with Sanger taking his lead, a fastball. As the 1-1 is loop foul, as the 1-2 to Mena. That's cut on a miss on a nasty slider.
And it gives the student athletes something that they can attain and play for. So that was our latest move, and then we're still working support. I just think the future, we're just really loving support, during our season.
1-2 going too far is Palmer, and that is the end of the inning.
Going off second, he traded places with Jordan. First pitch to the lefty. It's hit 0-1. That's at the knees, a fastball called strike, nothing. 0-2. Swung on and missed, strike 3 at a breaking ball on the inside part of the plate. And Sanger off first. The pitch is on the outside part of the plate. A slider sets, now deals. 1-1 is at the letters, a called strike. Starts to set, 1-2 pitch. Swung on and missed, strike 3. Fryman went chasing on a
44. Looks very comfortable in his first year in pro ball, and that's as the 1-0. Cut on a miss. Nice movement there on a slider down and in. 2-1, grounded foul. 2-2 is swung on a miss on a slider, and Jordan goes down for the first time.
The Patriots have made it 4-2. Here's the pitch from Hampton, and McElwain, the righty, swings and misses. Hampton winds and deals. Fastball drilled, foul towards right. 0-2. Swing and a miss, strike 3. Went after a breaking ball, down and away.